Hello friends, here I'm to share an amazing healthy recipe. Spinach omelette with less oil. Tastes so delicious, flavorful and satisfying to cover greens along with protein. Even kids will enjoy thoroughly. It's high protein low carb meal, rich in iron, fiber and vitamins. Thus it's absolutely balanced nutrient rich meal. You can enjoy as a side with rice, dal or as a complete meal. Let's get started. As you know, usual way is to mix everything together and cook with lots of oil to fry well. Leads to uneven texture. Spinach separates from eggs and turns much oily. That's not the ideal way. So here is my trick with less oil. I'm going to use just 1.5 teaspoon oil for lots of spinach, around 2 cups, and 2 eggs. First wash the spinach and drain few minutes. Then chop finely. It's always better to wash green leaves before chopping to retain nutrients. Next heat a pan. Add half a teaspoon oil, right enough to fry spinach, 1 finely chopped garlic, and 2 finely chopped chilies. As you know, spinach, garlic, and chilies make awesome combo. Now add few curry leaves, quarter cup onions. You can add spring onions, it's optional. Add pinch of turmeric and less than quarter teaspoon salt for spinach and onions. As you know, spinach also contains salt, so we will use less salt. Now add chopped spinach. Saute 2 to 3 minutes until spinach is fried lightly. As you see, spinach shrinks faster with heat. This way, omelette doesn't need too much oil. In the meantime, take a bowl. Add quarter teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, and quarter teaspoon salt. Mix with little water or milk to blend nicely. Next, beat 2 eggs and whisk well. Then add fried spinach mix and few coriander leaves. Mix everything nicely. This way, spinach and spices mix well with eggs. Next, heat the same pan. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Spread the oil with brush to cover whole pan. Once the oil is hot, pour the mixture and spread gently. Cover with a lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Since spinach is already salted lightly, cooks faster even with less oil. Once omelette is cooked well on top, flip gently with wide spatula to avoid breaking. Then cover with a lid again to puff well. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until fully done. As you see how easy, quick and less oil recipe this is. Absolutely healthy and tasty as well. Spinach and eggs spread evenly with beautiful texture. Hope you enjoy spinach omelette with your family. See you again with many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.